Today we'll see how to create a commerce setup in developer edition. So for that, log into salesforce.com, login.salesforce.com. So here we can see the login screen of salesforce.com. Click on login with the different username. So here we'll give a username that we have created yesterday. So I am giving aryastark.com. Here I have given my developer credentials and I'm clicking on login. So it will ask you for register your mobile number. If you want to register, you can register, or you can just click on remind me later. So I'm clicking on remind me later. So yesterday we have learned how to create a developer edition org and what all we can do in this developer edition org. So here, if you want to open any app, we can see here in the app launcher. This is called as app launcher. Here we can see different number of apps like which came by default. So we cannot see commerce setup in this commerce application. So if you want to open a commerce hub or app, you should enable a digital experience first to enable that app. So I'm searching, this is called as setup, and this is a home setup, and this is an object manager. So in the home setup, this is called as quick find box. So in this quick find box, search for digital experiences, then click on the digital experience settings. Here we can see the option to enable digital experiences in your org. So I'm clicking on enable digital experience org. So then it will ask you for give a domain name, like so we can just give any random name. So I'm giving started and started developer edition AB27. I'm checking for availability. The domain name is already taken, so I'm taking domain name as started 39 and check availability. So it is available. So then I'm clicking on save. So yeah, okay, click on OK. So the digital experience website, digital experience is enabled. Now search for commerce in the quick find box. You will see commerce settings. So before enabling digital experience, we cannot see this option. So as we have enabled digital experiences, now we can see commerce option. So go into commerce settings and click on enable commerce. Then click save. After enabling commerce, come back to digital experiences settings. Here we have to role and user settings here. Click on allow customers users to enable access notes and attachments, and allow using standard external profiles for self-registration, and click on OK. Then click on save. Here we can find commerce in app launcher. So I'm searching for commerce. Here I can see commerce application. So this is commerce workspace. From here we can create stores, we can create buyer groups, price groups, everything, products, we can add products. So we'll learn about how to create a storefront and how to create products, how to create buyer groups, all those things we'll learn in the next video. Thank you for watching.